Every time, whenever they're asking about a laptop, old laptop 5,000 worth, and splendor bike, my lord. The relative Shiva threatened me many calls.
Shiva?
The relative. He threatened me, abusing me, he will kill me or something like that. Their father visited Hyderabad. She said that on that day they asked about bike, old bike and laptop, but not questioned about cruelty or anything. I received WhatsApp message. Her mother asked me to send this laptop, bike, or serious action will be taken. Cases about 498 atrocity.
498 atrocity. Atrocities Act.
Atrocity Act 498. On January 13th, partly heard regarding SC Atrocity Act. FIR delayed for 7 months. I believe you convinced to quash Atrocity Act. Now I will come
Atrocity between husband and wife, is it?
Yes, my lord.
That will go.
One submission. One of the neighbors saw this happen. Her statement, Your Lordship.
Husband and wife atrocity bitbitre mugdoytamal. Yes. Mikkidella will see.
I'll leave it to Your Lordship.
Now I will come on 498A.
Come.
I will read documents of R2 statements, my lord.
No statement, straight away go to the charge sheet. I am not here to decipher the statement. I am not sitting in appeal. It is only 482.
Charge sheet statements only.
Charge sheet statement, Allah. Where is the complaint? 25/11/22. Yes, sir.
Permit to share judgment and comparison table I created with Achin Gupta judgment, my lord.
Judgment, no problem. Yes, sir.
Achin Gupta allegations and my allegations, if we read, my allegations 30% or 40% more allegations in Achin Gupta, my lord. Unexplained delay, Supreme Court observations is there. And in my case also delayed for 7 months. And vague omnibus allegations are there. Supreme Court observations is there. In my case also complaint lacks specific date, specific cruelty or specific things missing, my lord. And Achin Gupta observation is that fair opportunity got complainant, they can file cases anytime. First time in Achin Gupta, divorce case filed by Achin Gupta. Achin Gupta mother filed domestic violence. In my case, I filed first FIR, my lord. In Achin Gupta is dispute like civil property. In my case also civil dispute. Every time whenever they're asking about a laptop, old laptop 5,000 worth and splendor bike, my lord. And counter blast like Achin Gupta, in my case also counter blast is there, my lord. Lack of independent evidence in Achin Gupta, in my case also no witness, my lord. Only one witness is 161 statement given by Rambabu PW9. His friend of R2 father, 15 years old friendship is there. In his statement, nothing is there, my lord, about dowry or cruelty or anything. He's from starting onwards to last, every event he's present. He stays in Hyderabad. Every event he's present, my lord. And in Achin Gupta, quirk is dropped. In my case also quirk is dropped, my lord. In cross-examination statement given by R2, 8th April, they did not complain any. On 8th April, incident happened, they said, but not given any complaint. In cross-examination, she said.
The charge, when did the charge framed?
On 10th April, visited police station, but not given any complaint about cruelty or atrocity or anything, not given complaint. On 12th April, I had a call with her father. On that day also not questioned anything about cruelty or anything. And their friend, the relative Shiva threatened me many calls.
Shiva?
The relative. He threatened me, abusing me, he will kill me or something like that. On 24th, their father visited Hyderabad. She said that on that day they asked about bike, old bike and laptop, but not questioned about cruelty or anything. On 28th April, I received WhatsApp message. Her mother asked me to send this laptop, bike, or serious action will be taken. All these things, it is in cross-examination, my lord. And fourth
Cross
May,
examination charge frame ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
no, in MC case,
MC case.
on 4th May, her mother and R2 visited a police station. They given complaint only about bike, laptop, my lord. On August 1st, they visited Hyderabad police station. On that day also, they given complaint only bike, laptop, my lord. On 2nd November, I filed FIR in Hyderabad. On 6th November, I received call from her dad for settlement, he said. And 16th November, they visited Hyderabad for station bail. And 25th, they filed a FIR. It's showing like the counter blast. I filed FIR on November 2nd, and they filed FIR on November 25th. And also, last page, my lord. Thermal Limited versus KM Johnny Judgement.
Johnny?
Yeah, sir.
Last
Last page.
All right.
In this also, where earlier complaints on the same allegations were investigated and closed as being civil in nature, and the complainant suppressing those facts, again invokes the criminal process. Such proceedings amount to abuse all process of law and liable to be quashed. Here also, they filed a complaint in Bangalore police station in KG Halli on May 4th. That one not taken cognizance. In Hyderabad, they filed a case, not taken cognizance. Then they filed with these allegations. This is about thermoplast I am relying. Bhajanlal category A, E I am relying, my lord.
No settlement, is it?
Bhajanlal category A, E. Even if the complaint is accepted as true for the purpose of this petition, it does not describe any specific act of cruelty with date, place, and manner are required for Section 498. The narration is of insults, dowry, dissatisfaction, payments, and quarrels without the legal particulars required for the offense. Therefore, the ingredients of the Section 498 are not made out. This attracts Bhajanlal category A, my lord. My lord, next page. Harassed, tortured, insulted for years. It is keywords in complaint. No particular of date, place, and manner. It is in complaint copy, my lord. Demanded 5 lakhs dowry not sufficient. In complaint it is there. Demand alleged no cruelty act linked to it. 1.25 lakhs transport payments. Payments show no cruelty linked to them. I transferred 3 lakhs. Permit me to share bank statements.
Not necessary. You submit. So you are Achin Gupta's brother.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it is like that only. I seen everything is like that only.
Oh.
But my allegations are less comparing to Achin
What's your
Gupta.
name? Sachin Gupta?
What, sir?
What's your name?
My name is Manikiran.
Oh, so no, Samandha.
So in Achin Gupta, he asked car, but they given money. Here they're saying that I'm asked car. In MC, she says that I'm scared with driving car. She only said I'm asking car. And
You don't know to drive.
means I'm scared, my lord.
You're scared.
I will drive very slowly. So like that. So if allow me 2-3 audio recordings, transcripts.
No, that's enough.
Okay, then I will close with my lord judgments.
No, that I know. Yes.
This one, my lord, Abuzer Ahmed and Vimla N. I created this one also comparison table, my lord. In Abuzer Ahmed is also petitioner. It is also 498 case, my lord. And it is also married in 2017 only, my lord. Complaint registered after several years. Here also.
Wait, just a minute.
Your Lordship,
Mic on ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
it's on. Family dispute, arranged marriage. Husband is from Andhra Pradesh. Now, husband and wife had gone on a trip to his hometown. There was some incident that has happened. Then he filed a complaint against the wife saying attempt to murder. And this dentist, the
So,
respondent number 2,
Wife attempted to kill the husband.
allegedly, with a knife. That is the knife that dentists use.
Oh,
because she carried it with her. That is the allegation that the petitioner has as against the respondent in this particular case. Simultaneously, over there, no cognizance is taken. The husband, I mean, her father and the mother bring her back to Bangalore. Then counter complaints were filed, and then domestic violence, all of that started. The entire barrage of family court cases.
so
claim-
what made the filing of the case attempt to murder? Why? Relationship had floundered?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, with various allegations. At present, there is an MC case that is pending. It is listed on 15-4. As against this complaint, there is a special CC 65 that is pending. That's also on 15-4.
That is atrocities, I will
Please,
quash.
please.
Definitely.
The MC case is posted for his cross-examination.
All that. Now 498A.
There has been violence, Your Honor. The fact that he takes her saying under false pretense, saying that I'll take you out for a trip. Take you out for a trip to my hometown, and then acts in such a way that this thing happens. It's not like he is the one who committed the offense by himself, by hurting himself. That is number one. And number two, Your Honors, he is a budding lawyer in Andhra Pradesh. His fee is paid by the mother-in-law. He lives with his mother-in-law and father-in-law in the respondent's house. So everything that he has, it is through his in-laws, and they have always been
Parents of the complainant.
parents of the respondent.
Oh, the complainant.
Yes, yes.
Wait. Finish. Yes.
They have given him everything that he could possibly want. His submissions that there is a bike that was taken that belonged to them. The laptop belonged to the father and the mother, and it was their work laptop. Which
That's
is
all.
why
That's all the demand.
That
That's
is
all
it.
the demand. Right.
And there has been various other allegations also.
Money has been paid.
Money has been.
Money has been.
How much?
Should
Wait,
be page
wait.
20.
I'll come
my lord.
back to you.
Okay.
Page 20. The instance of incident and dates are also mentioned.
Page 20.
20. The second para, my lord, just from the bottom, your lordship finds the date, my lord, on 24/11/2021 to 27/3/2022.
Correct.
You received 1.25 lakhs through Google Pay. Then further demanded the dowry. Again on 8/4/2022, there was a fight.
What do you work as?
Sorry, my lord.
What is your avocation?
My lord, I am.
Not vacation.
Sorry,
Avocation.
I didn't get it, my lord.
What do you work as?
Past, I used to do software sales, my lord.
Pasha Institute.
Past, I used to work in software sales. I
Now?
used to do. Now, after this one, I have to start practice advocacy.
Oh.
Permit to share bank statements. I sent more than 3 lakhs to R2.
For
Yeah.
why? For what purpose?
I helped them loan. I given loan to them.
They demanded dowry.
Yes, my lord. You can see bank statements.
All right. Yes, we'll see. We'll answer. Ashana?
My
If I
lord.
may, one submission.
Oh.
Applications pending, Your Honors, for CBI inquiry.
CBI.
Yes, my lord.
For what?
I
I was
25.
filed FIR February last week in trial
CBI
court.
inquiry against whom?
I was in Bangalore against me.
Huh.
Charge sheet he filed February last week.
Huh.
But February first week, he shared case documents with a retired DIG and retired SP, my lord. Before filing, he shared documents with
That's
them.
why CBI should come in, nah?
My lord.
Ah.
Because
You don't want FBI? Yes. Heard reserved. Yes.
Group 79.
My lord,
Yes, sir.
2 submissions from audio recording.
No. It's enough.
Only 2 submissions, please.
It's enough.